Discus are members of the family Cichlidae and are sometimes referred to as king of the aquarium because of their majestic beauty and regal colors. At least 3 species have been described, although debate continues over the validity of several assigned scientific names. Wild-caught discus can be challenging to keep due to their specialized water chemistry and dietary needs. However, most discus sold today are captive bred and are much easier to keep. That said, they are not for beginners for a variety of reasons. Through selective breeding, numerous color varieties are available and more continue to be developed. For care and maintenance purposes, the information presented here can also be used for wild-caught P. scalare and P. altum angelfish, as well as Uaru. Natural habitat for discus. Discus are found in floodplain, lakes and flooded forests of the lowland Amazon River basin and some of its tributaries, including the Rio Negro. These areas experience extreme changes in water level due to seasonal flooding. Discus tend to congregate near fallen trees, known as galhadas, along the shore. They prefer quiet water and are rarely found in areas where there is strong current or wave action. Discus water requirements. Discus prefer warm, soft, acidic water. pH should be between 6.0 and 7.0, with hardness between 1 degree and 4 degrees DKH 18 to 70 ppm. Temperature should be kept between 82 degrees and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, although wild-heckled discus prefer water near 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Use an Aquarium aquarium heater to maintain proper water temperature, while captive-bred discus can be kept in dechlorinated tap water. Reverse osmosis or deionized water supplemented with Aquarium water renewal will provide the best conditions. When purchasing discus, always ask about the water chemistry they were raised in. Discus require pristine water quality, and weekly water changes of 10% to 25% using an aquarium water changer or siphon vacuum gravel cleaner are highly recommended. Don't forget to treat tap water with Aquarium water conditioner before refilling your aquarium. Housing requirements for discus. Discus grow to be quite large and require an aquarium of 75 gallons or larger when full grown. Tall aquariums are best to accommodate their body shape. Water movement should be gentle, and decor should include large broadleaf plants and driftwood that is arranged vertically to simulate downed branches and trees. A few floating plants can also be added to provide shaded areas and cover. Substrate should be sand or fine to medium grade, smooth surfaced gravel, as discus like to forage along the bottom for food.